Hello, everybody, and welcome to Write the Right Words. I'm Becky Koch, Director of Agriculture Communication, and I'd like to share this activity with you. And even though we're working virtually, I want this to be an activity. Here's how. Grab a piece of paper and write down just 1 through 25 along the side. And as we go through the different slides, I want you to just jot down if you think the example on the left is correct or the one on the right, whichever one you think is the best answer. And then when you're done, email me your answer. Email me for the answer sheet. I don't need to know how you did, but you can email me and I will send you the answers. Now, there's a little caveat there. There may be more than one, quote, correct answer, but in general, Ag Communication follows Associated Press style book. So, are you ready? Just hit pause if you still need to get organized. Here's our first question. Which is more correct, the way it's written on the left or the way it's written on the right? My, oh my, exclaimed Scott Miller. But look at the punctuation and things like that, and just jot down if you think the left is correct or the right is correct. Again, if you need more time to look at it, just hit pause. Question number 2. Which sentence do you think is generally more accepted as correct? Ready for number 3? Which one do you think we would use here in Ag Communication? As you can probably tell already, this is a lot of fun when we have a group in a room together. Sometimes it gets into a nice competition even, but sometimes people are afraid to speak up for fear they might be wrong. But it's a learning experience. That's our goal. Here's number 4. Again, you might have to pause for a minute just to compare the two sentences. By the way, I often use Franklin County 4-H because that's the county I was in 4-H in Kansas, and we don't have one here in North Dakota, so I'm not playing any favorites. Question number 5, another 4-H example. Ready for number 6? Which way do you think this would be written? What's on the left or what's on the right? Same thing here. It's almost graduation season. Sadly, we won't get to see too many commencement ceremonies though this year. And I just dated this, so I won't be able to use it again, hopefully. Here's one we run against a lot. Which do you think is the way we typically write this? And according to Ag Communication, should write this? Number 9, getting into more grammatical things rather than just style. Number 10. You probably prefer to just read those rather than have me read them to you anyway. Number 11. Again, just hit pause if you want to spend a little more time on one of these. Here's number 12. Sometimes it takes a minute to even find the difference. Number 13. I'll admit, I had to refer back to Ellen's Write the Right Word to make sure I had this one correct myself. And here's number 14. Number 15. We see this one a lot. Number 16. And here's number 17. You'll notice we tried to share examples from all kinds of different program areas in extension work. Number 18. Even if both are technically accurate, again, which would Ag Communication encourage you to use, and which is the style that we would use? And again, in the answers, I'll explain why to you. Number 19. And here's number 20. '21. '22. This one's a little bit longer sentence that may take a minute to find. Number 23. Number 24. Obviously, I just added this one. And number 25. Even though this was quick, I hope it made you think about writing the right words. So send me an email and I will send you a Word document that has what Ag Communication considers to be the correct answers and our explanations why. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to email me after that too. Thanks for playing along. Bye.